Welcome back. So, Halim just dealt with the appetizer. Now it's time for the main course. Now, I'll be taking traditional stewed peas. I'm going to add some jerk seasoning and some smoky flavor. All right, we're working on stewed peas with jerk pig's tail. All right. Now, if you're just joining us, we have Olympian Sharon Simpson and sports journalist Jordan Forts. Terry, we're going to give Terry a break. Rest your pretty little feet. Make the big old tough crusty man over here, so work. You understand? And since the reporter, a chef, we're working in the kitchen.
All right.
You understand?
Right.
Now, here's the thing. I'm doing a number of things differently with the stew peas. The stew peas is going to be really quick, but it's not going to lack in flavor. All right? Jordan, I need you over here. I have some hot oil. I want you to brown off the pig's tail. Now, that is something that is generally not done, but again, I want to do that for the flavor. In the meantime, what I want to show the folks at home, all right, what you're going to do, start out with about half of the pig's tail that's in here, and I just want you to brown it off. All right? Once that's brown and I think I hear the man work.
No, may I help him, man? May I help him? Because just take time.
Like a splash, got the oil well hot. Now, I have whatever equipment I need at home to do jerk pig's tail. If you don't have that, what I can suggest is this cheap little hack right here. Now, what you do is you soak your pig's tail overnight and you boil it because you want it to cook. And you boil it a couple of times, get out all the salt, and you rub it up with your jerk seasoning. Now, choose your jerk seasoning wisely. Some of them have this very high concentration of salt. So ensure you get out all the salt initially, rub it up with your jerk seasoning for about an hour, and then you use this little contraption here. This is just 2 aluminum trays. I cut a chimney in the top, and then, this is not the one I used, but what you can do, take some foil, double it up, triple it up if necessary, put your coal in here, and whatever wood that you want to smoke it with, whether hickory wood chips, you can use some pimento. One of my favorite things to do is soak some green thyme and drop it directly on the coal, so that will flavor the pig's tail. So you put your heat over this side, like so, put it at this end, put your tray on top, put your meat over here, right under the chimney, smoke it, 20 to 30 minutes. Cheap, very easy to do. Any idiot can do it, Halim can do this, so it's easy work. All right, so like I said before, all we're looking to do is get some color on this pig tail. All right, you're getting there. Yeah, this is looking real good. We're just browning it. That will add.
I don't know why I think Jordan job it.
There's additional.
Jordan a chef, you know.
Yeah, that the man says some of this.
Exactly.
You understand? But this will give the stew peas additional flavor, additional texture from the crispy edges of the pig's tail.
Smell good.
Smell good, don't it?
Smell good.
Yeah, so this was smoked today with some thyme and pimento.
Okay.
All right, I rub it up with some.
And how long is it you have to smoke that for?
You can do 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. Generally, that's how long it takes for meat to be infused with enough smoky flavor. But I did this one for about 2 hours.
Oh.
All right. So when this is done, we're going to add the peas. I have some hot water over here. Again, we're doing this really quickly here. All right.
Yeah, that nice.
Yeah.
Fire pan pork.
Right.
Fire.
High fire.
Fire.
Right.
And some seasoning.
Yeah, man.
So liquor with a
I
salt.
agree with you today. Yeah. All right, so that looks good to me. We have our cooked peas over this side. So Halim, you can just drop that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
You know, report to TVJ, collect your check and all of these things. Yeah.
Ooh. That's all nice.
Right following that. This water is hot, like I said before.
Right.
Because we're trying to get this done really quickly. Now, as soon as this comes to the boil, we're going to season it, add our coconut milk, and with spinners. I'm going to ask you if you make some spinners for me. The flour is over that side already. And we're just going to have it simmer for 20 minutes. When this boils, like I said, we're going to add the coconut milk, add the rest of the seasonings, add the spinners, and you have 2 options here. You can allow this to simmer away until it thickens and reduces, or you can use what is called a slurry, which is just flour and water.
Or cornstarch and water.
Yeah, but I prefer using flour for this because it holds a lot better.
And having added the coconut milk and the spinners, it's already going to have some amount of thickening agents in there. So anywhere from there is just based on tailoring it to your taste.
This is boiling up quite nicely. Smells good already.
Smell it, yeah.
I haven't even seasoned it as yet. Now, I'm going to move this to a higher burner, just for now. Because we're going to add some coconut milk. And we're going to need that to come to the boil again.
Coconut milk going to drop the temperature again.
So I'm going to add a little more here. Now, I'm going to put the chef back to work again.
Not me.
No, the actual chef.
That's
The real chef.
Yeah.
Okay.
According to him. That's not shade I'm doing. This is according to him.
I'm just the horizontal big chef. That's all.
Now, you can make spinach.
What do you want the chef to do? Oh, hold it. Oh, you make that again.
Turn around. Just turn around. Roll it. All right. So we have the flour here. We have some salt over there. Touch of salt in there. Mix it up. And well, see, Halim created the well for you. Him can show you. Say my chef.
Say this.
Let's look at it.
Little bit of.
Yes.
While that's getting done, I'm going to season.
That's enough.
Yeah, man. That's not it.
I see a cut scotch
What
bonnet
was
just
that
going
on
there.
there?
Scotch bonnet.
I use the whole one. I
Little
use
bit
the
more.
whole one.
That's the whole one. You just
But
cut
it
it.
cut.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's my concern.
Yeah, that's it. I
That
use
one,
it.
you're good,
Yeah.
man.
It's not cut when I use it.
We have some
Little bit
pimento
more.
here.
The flavor,
Yeah,
but not
like,
necessarily the
just
heat.
like the rice and peas,
Yeah.
they put a... What do you think?
Some scallion.
Where's my water?
You ladies can smell this from over there?
Yes.
Because I already made it for eating.
Me too.
No, there's already so much flavor that's in this stew. Again, because of the pig's tail, the jerk seasoning on the pig's tail, the fact that we hit it with the smoke. Now, if you don't want to go through all of this, there is a way you can get it done. Still use your pig's tail, but you can go to the supermarket and buy smoked pork bone. They sell those in the supermarket. A little tray might cost you about $200, and that will add smoky flavor to it if you don't want to go through. So we added garlic just now, so we're in scotch bonnet, pimento, scallion, garlic, and thyme. All right. Again, this is going to be a quick stew piece. From here, I'm going to simmer this for about 15 minutes or so. Okay. And I'm not going to let it reduce too much and thicken. I'm actually going to use the slurry to do this. That's my preference for this one here.
The what?
The flour slurry, which is just flour and water into not a paste. You want it runny so that you can pour it into the stew peas while you're stirring, and that will thicken up the stew peas in like 2 minutes. This is some black pepper I'm adding. No, I just taste that, and I can tell that this is going to need some additional salt. But again,
I could have tell you that. Could I tell you that? Just look on it and know say want some salt.
No, chef. No, chef. No.
Who meant is this?
I have heard about a chef that's like that actually, you know. So, I mean, that's the highest heights of skill and talent right there, you know.
Still look like you want.
Look at it.
Still look like you want some more flour, no? May I ask?
Yeah, ask me.
Yeah, may I ask?
Can I want to them chef, yeah, man.
Andre, when you ask me to do the spinners, you ask me to do the spinners, Jordan can't
You soon get your turn, man. You
Don't
soon get
spoil
your
it.
turn.
because me here say they're my big chef, and you know, me I put them to the test. I just want you to sit over there and relax more and take care of you. That's what I want. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's it. I heard you were coming. Me never got the fritters and gear. But I get some actual food.
No, I really enjoy the fritters.
No, it's all right. It's all right. We talk off camera. You can tell me you really feel.
I can't tell the excitement in the kitchen.
I
again,
really
man.
don't know what it.
Excitement.
Still a little bit gooey.
All right. Now this is a little controversial here, but if you want your stew peas darker, you can add some browning. I'm not going to. No, not just yet. Not just yet. I want this to reduce a little bit more. I don't want it any darker than this. This is a nice color to me, so I'm going to leave it as is and just let it reduce some more. Then we add the spinners, check for final seasoning, share. Okay. Now I'm going to have some nice buttery plain rice. I have some avocado.
Has to be plain rice.
What? Hold on.
We had this discussion.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
You cannot eat stew peas
With rice and peas?
No.
Why not?
It's blasphemy.
Why?
No.
No, explain.
It ruins the
It's not
flavor.
right.
How?
What is-
But rice and peas have coconut milk, just like stew peas.
And the
it have
peas.
red peas. It
That's
have
like
the seed.
doubling up. That's like doubling up. Like you just don't make any
redundant.
sense.
And the
Nice.
presentation,
You're giving Sharon anxiety.
you're just not going to see
wrong.
the true color of
And
the
with
stew
curry.
peas. No.
Exactly.
You can't eat curry with rice and
Yeah,
peas?
No.
What?
Look here. Look
What
here.
is Jamaica's national dish?
It
Andre?
has to
Rice and peas, fried
buttery.
chicken and curry gravy.
With what? What kind of side?
Eh?
Is that raw veg?
Raw veg.
veg.
Thank
the flour there. I need some flour.
You're allowed to do that, but
No, just
when you're serving any curry dish
It has
Hey,
or stew peas,
rice
it
and peas
must.
is nice, you know.
No.
Like on some
For
different
me,
levels.
some nice plain rice.
Yes.
All right.
Right?
All right.
It used to
Sharon
be,
and-
yes.
yeah, we can eat from each other. We're good.
It's all right.
No.
We're good, man. All right. So this has reduced quite a bit here. Halim,
Yes, sir.
go and mix out the slurry.
All right.
Right. We're gonna add that last as well because since we're adding the spinach here and there's so much starch in the flour, that's going to help to thicken up. And because it has reduced so much as well, it is now thicker than how it was when we started. So we're gonna make the slurry, let the spinach go for a little bit and see if we need it. When you're adding the slurry, you want to stir the pot
While you're doing it.
while you're doing it, so that it distributes evenly from the get-go, and again, it doesn't clump. Talk to me now.
I think this look good.
Yeah,
This ready.
I don't even see no spinners. Where the spinners?
Spinners aren't as they're not. I mean, they're for the after show. Spinners aren't as pretty on the plate. Yeah, I feel. Sharon is speechless. Oh God, you've killed her.
Talk to me.
She can't.
Leave the lady alone. Let her eat her food.
Whoa.
Perfect.
Kindly.
Of the jade.
Is the smoke?
The smoke,
The smoke is just coming through.
You know, like, you know, I'm from the country and, you know, the wood fire. This tastes so good. This is so
No, she's right. She's right. I've never tasted the kind of flavor for pigtail like this, because you jerk it and it's nice and salty.
Yeah.
Like, I think that's the thing that most people kind of get wrong.
That I boil it out.
Boil it too long.
Yeah, and then as Jamaican people say it fresh.
Yeah, man.
With blanded, there's not enough, you know, flavor.
Mark,
there,
I've done that
salt.
before. Can't
But-
boil your pigtail too much.
This have our vibes. This have our vibes.
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, stay with us, please, because the artisan, the queen of all desserts, is right after the break.
When we come back, Terry takes potato pudding to a creamy level.